Hey, Snap Flash fam! Big changes are coming to Botswana's justice system. The country's Chief Justice has unveiled a bold new vision for the courts, promising to tackle case backlogs, corruption, and outdated systems head-on. But will these reforms be enough to fix Botswana's legal challenges? Let's break it all down. Is Botswana's judicial system finally getting the overhaul it needs? And what does this mean for the average citizen seeking justice? Stick around, we've got the full scoop. Before we dive in, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Snap Flash for the latest updates on Botswana's biggest stories. The 2025 legal year kicked off with the Chief Justice laying out his vision for a modern, efficient, and corruption-free judiciary. Speaking in Gaborone on February 4th, he addressed lawmakers, judges, legal professionals, and the public, setting the stage for one of the biggest judicial reforms Botswana has seen in years. His message: justice must be faster, fairer, and more accessible to every Botswana. The ceremony began on a somber note with a moment of silence for key legal figures who passed away in 2024.
During the just-ended legal year, that is 2024, the legal fraternity, including the institution of judgeship, experienced said losses amongst their members. Attorney Mr. Petsolonare, Justice Gaolapelwe Gee Ketlogetswe of the Industrial Court, and Attorney Mr. Frederick Mpopang, in that order, all lost their lives. All of them had a lot in common. They were friends. The late Justice Makgato and the late Attorney Nare, at some point in time, worked for the administration of justice, while the late Mr. Frederick Mpopang was for many years a loyal servant of our people under the auspices of the Directorate of Public Prosecutions as State Counsel. In the same year, we received the sad news of the passing on of former Minister of Environment and Tourism, Mr. Dumezweni Mtimkulu, who was also an officer of this court, as well as former Member of Parliament, Mr. Liaket Kabli. We have also recently, and as a nation, lost our beloved former Minister and Member of Parliament, and a woman of formidable reputation in the name of Dr. Gausitwi Katie Chiape. May I kindly ask, Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, that we all rise and observe a moment of silence in their memory.
The Chief Justice praised their contributions to Botswana's legal system, urging the judiciary to uphold their legacy through ethical governance. With Botswana's first-ever opposition government in power, the Chief Justice congratulated President Duma Boko and praised former President Magwetsi Masisi for ensuring a peaceful transition of power. His key message: the judiciary must remain neutral, independent, and serve the people, not politicians. Chief Justice Ketlogetswe, we didn't hold back. He identified 4 major problems slowing down justice in Botswana: case backlogs. The courts are overwhelmed and people are waiting years for rulings. Judgment delays. Some cases take too long to resolve, leaving citizens frustrated. Outdated court systems. Many court buildings are in poor condition and digital case management is lacking. Lack of legal resources. Botswana needs more judges, magistrates, court reporters, and forensic experts.
We face challenges relating to shortage of resources, both human, financial, and material.
Re lebagane ke dikgwetlho tse di amanang le tlhaelo ya bodiredi, ditlamelo ga mmogo le lone didi.
The shortage of court reporters has impacted negatively on our ability to provide quality service delivery in relation to timely production of records of trial proceedings for purpose of appeal.
Tlhaelo ya bakwaledi kana bo court reportera e ya bile hela thata bokgoni ya rona ja gore ya re ntshe ditlamelo kana dithuso tse re bileng ba bile gore go ba ka ngwe di tsheko tsa pele gore go di iswe di file go pele go tsamaisiwe dipuelo kana go diragadiwe dikgang tsa dipuelo.
We have also experienced challenges in relation to the court buildings that we use throughout the country, as there is a challenge in relation to the air conditioning system, and our clients and stakeholders are compelled and forced to work under very extreme conditions of heat. I wanted to say something else. I'll stop there.
Re na le kgetho gape mabapi le tsone dikago tse re direlang mo go tsone ba re ba neela ditirelo tsa rona ba iphitlhela ba le mo seemong sa gore ba tlamega gore ba bereke kana ba amogele ditamelo tsa rona mo diemong tse di bokete jaaka mogote o eteletseng ke batla go bua sengwe ke taema.
Our computerized records management system, that is CRMS, has also failed us due to what the technicians tell us that it is a system failure.
Boranyane ja rona ja go amogela le go kwala ka boranyane kana record management system di kgantse di amogela le yone bo re thotse me bo re thola ka mokgwa o leng gore bo maitsana be ba lebagane le yone ba re ke mo ene gore ya no go phuthana.
This has resulted in delays when registering cases and generally providing quality court services. Let me just finish. It has as well affected our processes, including exploring the e-filing module that we wanted to put in place.
Ha potabo badisweng ka dikgang le hela go nela ditirelo mo lekgoteng ga mmogo le gone gore go kwadisa dikgang ga rona ka boranyane go nile bonyana gona ga nna le tiego.
We have also encountered challenges in the area of law reporting. Our law reporting unit, under the leadership of Ms. Motlalipula Setlai, has had serious backlogs in the production of law reports, mainly due to limited financial resources.
Re nile le kgetho ye nngwe gape re ra lebagana le one ga go ta go goreng yaanong go dirwe dibuka tse di begang ditshwetso tse di tserweng mo makgotleng a rona go le pele. Lekalana leo le le kwa tlase ga bolaodi ja ga mme Motlalipula Setlai lo nnile le go ka salla morago hela mo go tsitsibenyang mmele mo go direng ga dipego tseo mme lebaka legolo e le yone thaelo ya madi.
The master's offices also continued to experience poor service delivery due to extreme shortages in manpower and limited facilities in places far away from the main centers of Gaborone and Francistown.
Lekalana le la rona le di itebagantseng le go dikgang tsa boswa le go kwadisa di-trustee ke gore master's office le yone e sweletse ka go nna le bothata ja go tlhoka go ntsha ditirelo ka mo go lekaneng segolo kana lebaka legolo e le yone thaelo ya bodiredi le ditamelo tse di thaelang mo mahelong a kgakala go tswa mo di-officing tsa bone tsa bana le tsone tse pedi e bong ya Gaborone le ya Francistown.
In relation to the magistrates' courts, there has been a big challenge in some parts of Botswana where such facilities are not readily available within a reasonable distance.
The solution? Fast-tracking reforms, hiring more legal professionals, and modernizing the courts. Botswana's judiciary is getting a major facelift, with new and improved courts. The commercial court is set to launch by the end of 2025. This court will fast-track business disputes and attract more foreign investment. The corruption court. Existing courts aren't handling corruption cases fast enough. Expect tougher enforcement and quicker trials. The gender-based violence court. Specialized training for judges will prioritize GBV and domestic violence cases. And the cybercrime and ritual murder task force? With rising cybercrimes and ritual killings, Botswana's legal system needs to evolve fast. The Chief Justice emphasized that the judiciary is not just for legal professionals, but for all Botswana. He announced quarterly consultations with the Law Society of Botswana. Annual press briefings will update the public on major legal developments, greater transparency in judicial appointments and case management. His message was clear. The courts must be accountable to the people. Chief Justice is pushing for big changes, but can these reforms be implemented fast enough? Here's what's coming next. By March 2025, all delayed judgments must be completed. New e-filing systems will be introduced to digitize case management. More judges and magistrates will be hired to reduce backlogs. The first ever commercial court will be operational by year-end. With these bold moves, Botswana's judiciary is aiming to become one of Africa's most efficient legal systems. Botswana's justice system is at a crossroads. Will these reforms deliver faster, fairer trials? Or will bureaucracy and corruption stand in the way? What do you think? Is Botswana's judiciary finally heading in the right direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more updates on Botswana's biggest stories. That's it for now. Snap Flash fam. Keep questioning, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next update.